We are absolute fans of thermal oil baking. If I had known it baked this well, I would have bought another one right away. We no longer need heating up phases, so incredibly even. Reliability plays a very important role. Yes, the pastries are great, because we simply have to look to the future. My name is Peter Immerath. I am an engineer and master baker at Miva Smart Engineering, and the field of thermal oil baking plays a major role for us alongside many other great baking systems. And before I tell you too much, feel free to listen to what our customers have to say about Miva and thermo oil. We are absolute fans of thermo oil baking. The consistent quality, the constant heat we draw from the central boiler unit into the hot deck plates. We can bake batch after batch. It is efficient baking, and we are much faster at night and fresher for the customer. Thanks to the thermo oil ovens, we can load our products batch after batch. We no longer have any heat-up phases. As a result, we save baking time and therefore have no more idle time. We have a significantly larger volume of products, a better shine due to better transfer of the steam quantity onto the baked goods. So far, we are completely satisfied. Reliability plays a very significant role. As a semi-industrial baked goods producer, it is crucial that all stages of the value chain are perfectly coordinated and aligned. Therefore, both reliability and consistency, especially during the baking process, are enormously important. We can bake continuously batch after batch. We have a low delta T and the burner is in the basement. It's supplied with fresh air and experiences almost no malfunctions. We are very satisfied with this solution. We have been baking with thermo oil for a few months now. For me, this was absolutely new territory. But I must say the baking results are so incredibly consistent. I never would have expected that. The simplicity of loading and then baking. We were able to reorganize our entire operational process because the ovens heated up again so quickly. If I had known it baked this well, I would have definitely bought another one. But that's the experience you eventually gain. We are big fans of thermo oil because we can work flexibly, compensate for large temperature fluctuations, and achieve a consistent baking result. And we decided on a 12 deck, 2x12, because we simply have to look to the future. It supports us enormously with the large number of loaves we manage here every single day. We are now here in the new building where we decided on the Miva thermo oil ovens and are totally thrilled because you can bake a lot and quickly in a short time because you can always maintain the temperature. It heats up very quickly. The great advantage of Miva thermo oil baking is that, unlike a regular rack oven, I have a gentle baking atmosphere. Yes, there are great pastries, and I can bake everything in it, from small Christmas cookies to a 2-kilogram loaf. We have triple depth here, which means we get 27 trays or 810 rolls in one go with a 30-piece layout. The whole thing is computer controlled, meaning I enter a baking program, my employee just presses start, and then the baking process is usually very precise.